What's this? No. Kevin, no. No, Kevin, I'm not helping you with your crossword. Okay, I guess I could give you a few tips. Tips. Yeah, sure, I'll have some eggs. What kind? Just make them scrambled. Oh, I think there's some of that pie left in the fridge. I could sure go for some. I shouldn't have too much. I probably should just have a slice. Just have a slice of it. A slice. So, whoa, wait. You're telling me we're gonna have to get into the Earth's core? Right into the Earth's core? Oh. Man, I don't know what happened to him. I was just talking to him. He got mad at me, and then he just flipped out. Yeah, he just flipped out. Stupid pot. I don't know. I mean, I'm a guy. Like, how many guys get a perm? I don't know if I should go get a perm. Perm. Mutation. Cubes.